going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. I am that guy that's always in this place where I'm ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things I never knew, and I'm always sharing them with you guys. What's going on, World Wide Web? It's a beautiful Friday morning outside, guys. I was going to try to shoot a video outside. It's just too much sun everywhere. Besides, it's about 95 degrees outside here on the East Coast, guys. So I'm here on my desktop, guys, and I wanted to start a brand new series today. And I'm calling the series Making Money Online. But this all about self series, okay? Making money online, the all about self series. And what that means, guys, is everything that I talk about is going to be centered around self, okay? It's going to be centered around self, yourself particularly, right? This is what it's about, yourself, and some of the things that you're going to kind of need to wrap your mind around in terms of the mindset and some of the things that can actually hold you back in terms of making money online. So again, guys, the series is going to be called Making Money Online, all about self series. In today's video, guys, the first of this series is going to be about the self-fulfilling prophecy, okay? The self-fulfilling prophecy. As you guys can see up here on my screen, what I'm saying is whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're absolutely right, okay? Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're absolutely right, right? It just makes sense. If you think you can do a particular thing, right, you can do it, guys, okay? If you don't think you can do it, you can't do it. So either way, guys, whether you think you can or you think you can't do a particular thing, you're absolutely right. So you should feel good about that, guys, okay? So that's what the self-fulfilling prophecy is all about, guys. The self-fulfilling prophecy is all about that. Oftentimes you guys hear me talking about speaking your success into existence. And the reason I talk about speaking your success into existence is because our success is based on what's in our heads, guys, our minds, okay? And you can speak what you want to happen in your life into existence, but it's an action type of thing, okay? It's something that you have to do. So you guys hear me, I'm always talking about speaking your own success into existence. I just recently put a video up on my YouTube channel with Les Brown in that particular YouTube video, guys. And it's one of my favorite Les Brown videos because basically he just talks a little bit about his story and how he got started as a motivational speaker, actually, and how he bombed the very first time and the second time and actually thought about not moving forward with his motivation speaking career, right? But when you watch the video, guys, what you'll understand and some of the things that he talk about is just don't stop. Just keep going. Just do that thing that you feel like you were called to do, guys. It's in your blood, right? You can't get away from it. Maybe many of you guys have tried, made an effort before at starting your own online business or making money online or making money from home. And maybe it just didn't work out the way you thought it would work out, right? And maybe you quit. But maybe not long after that, if you like me, I thought about quitting many times. You revisited it again. You kept going on YouTube. You kept going to the Google search engine looking for a way to succeed and make money online, right? That's because you can't stop, right? If you're in it to win it and it's in your blood, that entrepreneurial spirit and your will to succeed, guys, you just can't stop. Now, when we talk about self-fulfilling prophecies, guys, we can actually, in our minds, right? I believe this, and you guys, I'm sure you'll agree. You can feed yourself the wrong type of information. And psychologically, guys, if your mindset is not right, you're not going to be able to do a particular thing. And if you keep speaking to yourself and telling yourself that you can't do it, that becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. You're speaking your future into existence, okay? Whether it's going to be tied around success or whether it's going to be tied around failure. It starts inside the human mind, guys. It is all about psychology, okay? It is all about mindset, okay? Now, in these videos, guys, they're not going to be very long, but it's just a few points for you to ponder, something for you to think about if you're an individual out here and you're looking to make money online or you're looking to start your own business. Just remember, guys, whether you think you can, I'm going to throw succeed in there, or you think you can't succeed, you're right, okay? That's what the self-fulfilling prophecy is all about. That's what this video is all about. That's what I want you guys, I want that to be the takeaway in this video today, okay? Are you speaking self-fulfilling prophecies? Because they can be positive, right? Self-fulfilling prophecies don't have to be negative. They can be positive. Remember, guys, speaking your own success into existence. Whether you think you can or whether you think you can't succeed, you're right, guys. Where is your self-fulfilling prophecy tied into? What is it wrapped around, guys? Are you speaking your own success into existence? Are you doing something every single day that's getting you a little bit closer to where it is you ultimately want to end up? Or maybe if you're like myself, guys, just a person who's constantly transitioning, right? Constantly evolving, constantly learning things I never knew, and always sharing with you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Watch for the next installment in a couple of days where we'll be talking about making money in line, all about self series. And again, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video about the self-fulfilling prophecy. Comment in the description area below, guys, and keep your eyes peeled, guys. I got miles to go before I sleep and thousands of more videos to shoot. This is your boy Marlon O, Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.